This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it's March 11, 2019. This one here I gotta go change a sump pump. Now this guy, I've worked for him before. He's got 2 sump pumps down in the basement. He's called me all panicking that his sump pumps aren't shutting off. I went over there a few days ago and I grabbed the floats and I pulled them down and up, down and up. Both pumps were working fine. But he's complaining about one pump's not shutting off. He's got to hit it with a hammer. So he's kind of one of these rich guys, retired rich guy, not too mechanical. So he wants me to go by there and change the pump. So I'm going to go by and change the pump. He said he unplugged the one that he can't shut off. He said he got to hit it with a hammer for it to shut off. But I don't know. I don't believe him. But anyway, I'm going in to change the pump. So I've worked with this guy before. He's a good customer. I think he needs to hit himself in the head with the hammer. Maybe then he'll start. That's probably what he should do. Hit himself with the hammer. Oh, yeah, next level. Next level. We'll go by there. We'll plug the pump in and see if it shuts on and off. It seems to be working fine. Both of them were working fine when I was there. I don't know what to tell you. I'll change it. He wants it changed, I'll change it. What black thing?
That thing. No.
That's the pump. This right here is the alarm.
No. I mean, that black thing that you got your finger on.
This blue thing right here?
No, the black thing. That. Now that thing sometimes works and sometimes doesn't.
See what I'm doing with my... You actually see?
Yeah, I understand that. I've done that too.
So this is the one you were hitting with the hammer?
Yeah.
You sure it wasn't the back one?
Yeah.
Who's your witness?
Right here. Okay, that pump, right, the float, would stay running even with the water gone. Happens about 35 times. Okay.
This
red one right in your hand.
This green one?
On the top, right.
All right, well we'll change it.
Yeah. So unless you can change the switch.
Nah, I'll change the whole pump. I got another pump. We'll just change the pump then.
All right, and then if you change it, just leave the open. Because what happened was Friday, right?
That green one.
You just would jiggle it, it'd come loose. We tried everything, cleaning it, moving it, doing all this stuff. Nothing worked. Friday, it locked in the open position, in the running position, in the closed position. No matter how you jiggled it, no matter what you did to it, it wouldn't shut off.
It wouldn't shut off. All right, we'll change it.
After 2 hours of cool down, plug it back in, and it's still running, jiggle, and it finally broke loose. So the plugs in there burnt. So if you
We'll
can
put
do
a
the
new one in
switch,
there, that's all.
Right, if you can't do a switch,
I'd rather not do the switch.
no.
Be honest with you.
Leave the old one here and so you can see if I can do it.
Change this one pump here. $11. Looks like that's why I changed it. Got a high water alarm there. We'll put that back when we're done. See which one it is. This one. I'm gonna have to put a clamp on it, Jed clamp it. I can't get it off. Yeah, we'll give it the old Jed clamp it. I got the pump unplugged too, so Give it the old Jed clamp it. Tight area here, but not easy being cheesy, man. Nope. See if we get that off of there. I could always put a new one on there. Off. It's always good to drill a hole in this thing. It's always good to have a hole in it. 3/16 hole. He says it's getting stuck. I've never seen it get stuck, so whatever. Matter to me. Some of a new pump. I'd rather not do just a switch. I'd rather just do a whole new pump. Give him a whole new pump. We'll leave the other one down here for a spare. That's all. Okay. Give it the old Jed clamp it, Mama. Give it the old Jed clamp it. I want to bring some tape on this thing. The old Jed clamp it, Mama. just have to tape up this cord and I'll be done. Alright, so I put the alarm back on there. 31119's the new one. That one is been in a long time, the other one. So I lowered this one down a little bit more than the other one, so this one will run more. It's a newer one. I did drill a hole in the line. It should be fine now. That should be it right there. I'm gonna leave that pump there for him. We'll leave that there for him. The old pump. Back up.